Part of the Clarity Collection by HHHunt, we introduced the Retreat. With up to 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a garage, we've designed this home to meet all your new home needs. With all of your bedrooms on the first floor, this one includes a full bath. Your guests are gonna love it. Your new home would not be complete without your garage or a first floor laundry room. This optional space makes a perfect crafting station. Light floods in from the courtyard as we head into the main living area, a beautiful dining area adjacent to the kitchen of your dreams. Perfect for hosting holiday parties. Connectivity is key as the space flows into the entertaining space. The first ensuite seemed perfect, but we have redefined perfection with your massive owner's suite. Your large bedroom connects to a private bathroom, fit with dual sinks and a spacious shower. The retreat you've dreamed of. For more information, visit HHHuntHomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.